In this video series, we'll be studying logarithms and logarithmic functions. So to start off, we need to ask ourselves, what are logarithms and why do we need to know them? So in this particular slide, I have the two forms that we'll be looking at, exponential and logarithmic form. So to answer the question, why do we need to know logarithms, let's look at the relationship between them. Logarithms allow us to find the value of an exponent. If I look at the two conversions, I have n equals b to the p power. If I can just label a few things, we know b is our base, and p is our power, or I'm going to refer to it as our exponent. And I'm going to refer to n as just our value. Here it'd be our numerical value. You could refer to it as the answer, but I'm referring to it as the value. So our value is equal to b to the power of p. If I look at the logarithmic form, my power now is equal to log base b of n. So the reason why I want you to realize this b is referred to as the base in mathematical terminology is because this is read as log base b, and so b becomes the base down here. Your power is what it's equal to, so you're taking the log of the value to equal the power. The reason why this is helpful is if I give you, let's say, 2 to the x power equals 8. Well, we should know, just by knowing the first few perfect cubes, that x is 3. But what if I told you 2 to the x power is 12? Well, 12, we can't convert to a like base of 2. We can't solve it using all the forms we've learned before. And so we have to create this concept of logarithms to allow us to solve equations to find the value of the exponent. So just be familiar with this conversion process between exponential and logarithmic. Your power becomes what your log is equal to. Your base becomes the base of the log. Your value is what you're taking the log of.